I'd love to see them take off.
No, they won't.
We watched the baby trying to learn to fly with the parents both
Is that
there.
2 years ago or last year?
It was so much fun. Oh, that'd be so fun.
That was really neat. They just keep going all along the surface, and then would stop, and then go all
With their feet going like this?
Yeah, if they get just off the water, then they drop back down. Over and over again. And they get further and further away. Darn it. Okay.
I'll get over there, don't worry.
We're gonna go.